Today I'm going to show you how I made this miniature snake plant. Take 3 strips of white paper, one 4 cm wide, one 3 cm wide, and one 2 cm wide. Cut them into a leaf shape like you can see here. You will need 3 shades of green markers. Start by making the edges with the dark green, and then fill in the middles with the lightest green. Use the dark green to draw a line up the middle of each leaf, and remember to colour both sides of the leaves. Use the middle green to draw more lines on the leaves. Use the dark green again to make the edges darker if it's needed. Use the strip at the bottom to roll the leaves up. Start with the longest leaves and then roll the middle-sized leaves around them and then the smallest leaves last. Put white craft glue into the pot. I'll put the link for how I made this pot into the video here as well as in the description below. Add some dry soil on top of the glue. Take the leaves and press them down into the glue. Fill any gaps with more craft glue and dried dirt. Once the glue is completely dry, you can use a skewer to roll the leaves outwards. Thank you for watching my tutorial. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe.